Hello everybody! I just wanted to thank you for watching my previous EbSynth video and subscribing to my channel, so I created a new one. How do you like my look now? Are you ready to see some magic? Let's go! And where do you want to go next?
Good day. I am Jean-Luc Picard, the captain of USS Enterprise, and this is my crib.
Hello there.
Space is an endless frontier, full of uncharted worlds and reaches beyond our imagination. With EbSynth, you can visit any world or create your own. You can be a Jedi, a bounty hunter, a reptilian, or an android. Or if you prefer a different kind of fantasy, you can be a knight, or a wizard, or a maid, or a monk, maybe a king. Comment below what is your idea for the next demonstration, and thanks for watching.